Hello, another tool, another design tool. Today we're going to talk about Tabbied. Tabbied, it's a free tool to make designs for your projects. They let me go here to the Doodle with generated patterns. That's what their slogan. It was second product of the day in 2021. Yes, and these are the makers. It's pretty easy. You can press here, make your art. You can choose the template, ring. You can decide how many columns and rows you want, the color that you need. For example, maybe I need to save it. Yes. And then here you can put a different one, save. Yes. The frequency, more or less. And then you can export. Automatically it goes. Let's try another one for you to see that they can be pretty different. Here you cannot see the shadow, but if I press here, you can see the difference. Yeah, so basically that. It's another design tool. We've been talking a lot about design tools in the last newsletters. This is another one, and I hope you like it. See you next time.